front rail is in with some counter, what do you call these? No, but in English.
Rivets.
Oh yeah, of course. With the rivets in, boom, yours truly. Tank is kind of in, but we gotta secure everything, put a little spacers.
You need to not have to strap it.
Third rail up. Tank is put in.
Notice we do not have a water separator.
We're gonna put a water separator.
We're not gonna put a water separator.
All right, sea trial day. She's done. Heading out soon. A little rainy. Nothing's gonna stop us though. Nothing will stop us. All right, we're heading out to the Keys. Boat's in the back. Getting ready to head out. Put it in the water. Okay.
Makeshift ramp here.
Well, at least it turned on.
It floats. Oh, it's a whaler. It has to float.
It floats and it's moving.
Maiden voyage in like a foot of water. But it's going through, man. We're going through a foot of water. Trying to get out to the channel. Almost there. Can we get over those pilings and bring the boat on here is the question. If not, we may have to make some future modifications to the pilings. boys just took it out. Where's the sandbar? Let me know if anybody's done one of these or has any ideas of things that maybe they would have done different, or maybe I could improve on. Let me know. And That's it. Put some comments on there. Share it, subscribe, like, all that stuff. 1984 Boston Winter Montage.